Hi everyone, this is Aniara here with today's challenge. Today we'll be moving a little bit away from drawing as we'll be designing our own creatures using the objects that you've collected throughout the week, as well as salt dough, which there will be a recipe for somewhere on the page here. And it's really easy to make, just a few steps combining and some kneading, and then you'll have your own dough to work with. So creature design is a step in film production that's widely used both for live action film but also for animation. It's quite often an early step when the character designers or the creature designers will shape, sometimes draw, but quite often will work with clay to shape a character that will later on be a part of the fiction. So that might be a monster or an alien or a fantastical creature, any kind of creature that has a body that's somewhat different from the average human body. So it's really interesting to think about that step of production where you have to sort of expand your imagination and think about how do other bodies function. A very famous Disney film, the first one to use this type of maquette, which means the little sculpture that you use as a reference point, is Pinocchio. So I think that's really interesting, because the story about Pinocchio itself is about a sort of sculpture, a figure that wants to be a human. Another famous Disney film that has used this way of producing characters is Beauty and the Beast, and that again is another story about a beast, a different kind of body that wants to inhabit the human body. But today we'll be embracing the difference and the different shapes and forms that we can imagine using our found objects as starting point. So here I have my salt dough. I'm gonna try and do a few examples of how you can use this material in combination with our found objects, and see if we can't create some fun or interesting or thought-provoking characters. So there you have it, your challenge for this morning. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'll be continuing making more figures that I'll share with you. So once you've made your little figures, you might start to think about little scenarios, sceneries that they could function in. They tell a story. They can be interacting with the objects in your house, or it can be a little, almost like a little nativity play just between the different ones, and see if you can tell a story with the creatures that you've made.